presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ford Focus SE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 126,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.